guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do a nail look that I'm using the Art B new YouTube video that she put. It's Art by B7. That is her channel, and this is the artwork I'm going off. So I debated doing a couple different things, but I think I'm gonna use inks and we're just gonna play around with it. So we have my fake tips on, you know. You guys should be used to these by now. I am going to take a couple different ones. I'm taking EV 18, 5, and I'm taking the Après 34 and 35. And I have 4 from EV, and then I also have 15 from Après, depending on how I feel. So I don't really have a plan for this. I'm just going to drop and run. So okay, I'm gonna let these dry for just a second. I'm not quite sure if you can see, like right in there, you can see it's still a little wet. So yeah, I'm gonna let these dry. All right, so I'm gonna take Madam Glam's top coat, and the reason I'm taking this specific top coat is because it is super thin. I am not trying to build up the nail here, obviously. So I'm taking something that is super thin, and I am going to go ahead and top coat this. Now, if your inks move, that's okay. I'm not too worried about it, but if that bothers you, not sure if any top coat will fully not move your inks, but we can always hope. I'm gonna take Perfect Black from Madam Glam. I'm not quite sure if I said this already, but I do have a discount code with them. It is Vanessas Nails 30. I'll link it below, and that gets you 30% off. So, fully top coated, fully cured. Since I have a glass top here, I'm gonna kind of just stick a little bit down. And the reason I am using gel polish instead of a paint is because I do fully want this shiny, so I'm going to top coat it completely versus just leaving that on top. I'm actually going to use the same brush because this is one I kind of use acetone with, so I'm just kind of getting that tip in there. I'm not quite sure. Like, that's how little I have on this brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna kind of create little, it's not gonna be clouds, but they're gonna be kind of modeled after clouds, so. I might add some of this rose gold. It is number 15 from Après, just because why not? If I hate it, I can always just take it off. But I feel like it's missing glitter. It's missing something. Much better. I'm turning down the brightness. I hope that is coming off as better. You know, now I'm wondering if I should do it in matte. I'm taking Ugly Duckling's matte top coat, and I'm doing a super thin layer. This one is also pretty runny. I don't actually hate it matte because the matte from Ugly Duckling is not super matte. It's kind of sheen-ish. that you don't have to put a top coat on it. Originally I was gonna do a full top coat, but I just don't think I am. All right, I'm gonna take the Young Nails micro detailer and I'm just gonna put it in a little bit of that paint, and I'm going to connect to make a heart. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.